early hominids sought rocky outcrops as sleeping sites for protection. Rocky outcrops provided a vantage point for observing approaching predators. The elevated position of the sleeping site offered a degree of safety from ground-based threats. Natural rock formations provided shelter from the elements. The choice of sleeping sites was crucial for early hominid survival. The foraging area provides a variety of edible plants, fruits, and insects. Edible plants offer essential nutrients and vitamins. Fruits provide natural sugars and energy. Insects are a source of protein and essential fats. Foraging involves identifying and collecting safe and nutritious food sources. Simple stone tools facilitate the extraction of roots and tubers from the earth. These tools represent a basic technological approach to food acquisition. Roots and tubers provide a source of sustenance obtained through digging. The use of stone tools enhances efficiency in accessing underground food resources. This method demonstrates a fundamental form of technology for survival. The design of these tools is adapted for digging and leveraging force against the soil. Water is essential for survival in the savanna environment. Locating a reliable water source is a critical task for survival. Access to water directly impacts the health and sustainability of the local ecosystem. Water sources in the savanna support diverse wildlife populations. Constant vigilance is necessary to avoid predators such as leopards. Hyenas also pose a significant threat, requiring persistent awareness. Predator awareness involves recognizing potential threats and reacting accordingly. Maintaining a state of alert helps to ensure the clan's safety. Visual and auditory cues are crucial for detecting approaching predators. Collective vigilance enhances the overall effectiveness of predator detection. Early humans cooperate to hunt small animals, demonstrating basic hunting techniques. Cooperative hunting involves coordinated movements and shared roles within the group. Rudimentary tools, such as sharpened sticks and woven nets, aid in capturing prey. Successful hunts provide essential food resources, supporting the survival of the group. Foraged and hunted food resources are collectively shared among clan members. The sharing of food reinforces social bonds within the clan. Resource distribution ensures the survival and well-being of all members. This communal sharing strengthens cooperation and mutual support. Food sharing is a fundamental aspect of clan unity and cultural identity. Adults play a crucial role in teaching essential survival skills to the young. Identifying edible plants is a key survival skill passed down through generations. Avoiding dangers is another critical aspect of survival skills taught by adults. The transmission of survival knowledge ensures the continuity and safety of the group. Effective teaching involves both demonstration and practical application. Survival skills are fundamental for adapting to and thriving in the environment. Communication within a clan reinforces group cohesion. Social interaction is a fundamental element of clan structure. Simple forms of communication are essential for maintaining social bonds. Clan cohesion is strengthened through ongoing social exchanges. These interactions support the clan's overall stability and resilience. Branches form the structural framework of temporary shelters. Leaves offer a protective layer against environmental factors. Shelters offer protection from rain, wind, and sun. Shelter construction utilizes readily available natural materials. Temporary shelters provide immediate refuge in outdoor environments. Fire provides warmth in outdoor environments, essential for maintaining body temperature. Fire is used for cooking food, rendering it safer and more palatable. Fire offers protection from predators by deterring them with light and smoke. Maintaining a fire requires careful management to ensure its continued utility. Controlled burning of fire prevents uncontrolled spread and potential hazards. Fire management involves balancing resource consumption with environmental impact. Group defense strategies involve coordinated actions to protect against potential threats. Throwing stones is a deterrent tactic used to ward off approaching dangers. Making noise serves as an auditory warning to deter and confuse potential threats. These collective defense mechanisms aim to minimize risk and ensure group safety. Effective group defense requires coordination and clear communication among members. Savanna inhabitants exhibit high heat tolerance as an adaptation to their environment. Efficient locomotion is crucial for survival in the savanna, enabling hunting and predator avoidance. Physiological adaptations allow for effective thermoregulation in the savanna's harsh climate. Behavioral adaptations, such as seeking shade, aid in managing heat exposure. Adaptive strategies enhance survival rates in the challenging savanna ecosystem. Clans adapt their behavior to seasonal changes. Migration is a key adaptation strategy for finding food and water during dry periods. Seasonal migration ensures survival by accessing resources unavailable in a fixed location. Behavioral adaptations include altered foraging patterns and water conservation techniques. Stone tools require regular sharpening to maintain their effectiveness. Maintenance ensures stone tools remain usable for various tasks. Sharpening stone tools involves removing small amounts of material to create a sharper edge. Continued usability of stone tools depends on consistent maintenance practices. Proper maintenance extends the lifespan and utility of stone tools. Observing animal behavior provides insights into locating food sources. Animal behavior analysis reveals patterns of predator movement. Knowledge of food source locations is crucial for survival. Understanding predator movements aids in avoiding danger. Plant identification involves distinguishing between edible and poisonous species. Visual characteristics such as leaf, shape, color, and texture aid in plant identification. Systematic collection and categorization are crucial for accurate plant identification. Knowledge of plant properties is essential for safe consumption and utilization. Insects serve as a source of protein. Insectes provide essentiels nutriments. Insects are gathered from various environments. Insects are consumed as food. The clan obtains animal protein by scavenging leftover meat from predator kills. Scavenging supplements the clan's diet, providing essential nutrients. Predator kills offer a readily available source of high-energy food. Scavenging behavior reduces the energy expenditure required for hunting. The availability of scavenged meat depends on the success of predator hunts. Scavenging provides a crucial survival strategy in environments with limited resources. Savanna terrain navigation relies on landmarks for orientation. Spatial memory is crucial for recalling routes and locations within the savanna. Landmarks and spatial memory are integrated to create effective navigation strategies. Effective navigation ensures efficient traversal and resource acquisition within the savanna. Clan members utilize vocalizations to convey information. Gestures also serve as a means of communication within the clan. Information about food sources is communicated through specific calls and gestures. Danger is signaled using distinct vocalizations and postures. Social status within the clan is communicated through a combination of vocal tone and body language. Vocalizations and gestures facilitate efficient communication about food, danger, and social dynamics. Learning occurs through observation, where younger individuals watch and analyze the actions of adults. Imitation is a key mechanism for skill acquisition, allowing novices to replicate observed behaviors. Observed actions are mentally encoded and later reproduced, facilitating the transfer of knowledge and skills. Successful imitation leads to skill development and mastery, reinforcing the learning process. The accuracy of imitation directly impacts the effectiveness of learning and skill acquisition. Social learning through observation and imitation is a fundamental aspect of cultural transmission and knowledge sharing. The clan faces challenges in obtaining food from elevated locations. Collaboration and strategic planning are essential for problem solving. Leverage and simple tools can be employed to overcome physical limitations. Teamwork amplifies individual efforts, leading to successful outcomes. Resourcefulness in utilizing available materials is crucial for survival. Successfully accessing the food source demonstrates the effectiveness of combined problem-solving skills. Risk assessment is conducted prior to engaging in potentially hazardous activities. Crossing rivers requires careful evaluation of water depth, current speed, and potential obstacles. Entering dense vegetation necessitates assessing the presence of dangerous animals, poisonous plants, and visibility limitations. Environmental factors are key considerations in determining the level of risk associated with an activity. Effective risk assessment minimizes potential harm and ensures safer execution of outdoor tasks. Sustainable resource management involves avoiding overexploitation of food sources, Clans ensure long-term food availability by carefully managing their hunting and gathering practices. Overexploitation leads to resource depletion and threatens the clan's survival. Sustainable practices maintain a balance between resource consumption and natural replenishment. Effective resource management requires understanding the carrying capacity of the environment. Clans implement strategies such as seasonal harvesting and resource rotation to prevent overexploitation. Social hierarchy within a clan dictates that certain individuals possess greater influence. Status within the clan is not uniformly distributed. Some members hold higher positions. Influence is a key component of social hierarchy, determining decision-making power. The clan's structure is based on a system where respect and authority are earned or inherited. Social standing impacts access to resources and privileges within the clan. Clan's social hierarchy ensures order and stability through established roles and responsibilities. Conflicts within the clan are resolved through displays of dominance. Dominance displays involve asserting physical or social superiority. Conflicts can also be resolved through negotiation. Negotiation involves communication and compromise to reach a mutually acceptable agreement. The goal of negotiation is to find a solution that satisfies the needs of all parties involved. Facial expressions serve as a primary means of conveying emotions such as fear, joy, and anger. Body language complements facial expressions, enhancing the communication of emotional states. Emotional expression through body language includes gestures, posture, and physical distance. The combination of facial expressions and body language provides a comprehensive emotional signal. Cultural context can influence the interpretation and display of certain emotional expressions. The clan collectively makes decisions regarding resource management and relocation. Group consensus determines optimal foraging locations based on available resources. The clan decides when to move to a new location based on resource availability and environmental conditions. Collective decision-making ensures the clan's survival and adaptation to changing environments. The clan's decision-making process is a key factor in their long-term sustainability. Survival skills are passed down through generations, ensuring the continuation of essential knowledge. Older generations transmit knowledge about environmental conditions to younger generations. Knowledge transfer ensures the younger generation is equipped with the skills to adapt to their environment. Understanding local environmental conditions is crucial for effective survival strategies. Effective knowledge transmission strengthens community resilience and promotes long-term sustainability. Adaptation to climate involves seeking shade during hot periods. Shelter is sought during cold periods to maintain warmth and conserve energy. These behaviors are crucial for survival in varying environmental conditions. The adaptation to climate is a fundamental aspect of species survival. Seeking shade and shelter are instinctive responses to extreme temperatures. In response to natural disasters, the clan either relocates or seeks alternative resources. Relocation involves moving the entire community to a safer, more resource-rich area. Seeking alternative resources includes discovering new water sources or cultivating different crops. These adaptive strategies ensure the clan's survival and resilience in the face of environmental challenges. Exploration of new territories is driven by the need to find new food sources. Environmental pressures can force a clan to seek refuge in unexplored regions. Resource scarcity in the current territory motivates the search for new, abundant areas. The clan's survival depends on adapting to new environments and securing essential resources. New territories offer potential for growth and expansion, reducing competition for limited resources. Exploration is a strategic response to ensure the long-term sustainability and well-being of the clan. The clan observes the behavior of other species to gain knowledge. Interactions with baboons provide insights into social dynamics and communication. Observing birds reveals information about environmental changes and resource availability. Learning from other species enhances the clan's understanding of the ecosystem. Natural medicines, derived from plants, are utilized for treating injuries and illnesses. Specific plants possess therapeutic properties that can alleviate symptoms and promote healing. The application of natural medicines involves understanding the plant's properties and its effects on the body. Traditional knowledge guides the selection and preparation of natural medicines for optimal efficacy. Careful identification and sustainable harvesting practices are crucial for preserving medicinal plant resources. The efficacy of natural medicines is often attributed to the synergistic effects of multiple compounds within the plant. Simple burial practices may involve covering the deceased with stones. Branches may also be used to cover the bodies of deceased clan members. These practices represent a basic form of respect and memorial. The act of covering the body provides a physical barrier and a symbolic gesture. Such burial rituals reflect the clan's cultural beliefs and values. Clans may exhibit symbolic behavior through the creation of simple art forms. Symbolic behavior can involve the ritualistic use of everyday objects. Artistic expression serves as a form of symbolic communication within the clan. Ritualistic object use reinforces shared beliefs and cultural identity. Symbolic actions and objects often carry deeper meanings understood by clan members. These symbolic behaviors contribute to the clan's social cohesion and cultural continuity. Innovation in tools and techniques can enhance efficiency in food acquisition. New tools can significantly improve a group's ability to defend themselves. Tool innovation directly correlates with increased resource availability. Improved techniques lead to more effective strategies for survival. Innovation in tools and techniques represents a key evolutionary advantage. Clan members acquire new skills and knowledge through observational learning. Observation and imitation facilitate the spread of knowledge within the clan. Social learning accelerates skill acquisition and cultural transmission among clan members. The process of observation and imitation promotes collective learning and adaptation. Cultural practices are transmitted from one generation to the next. Beliefs are passed down, influencing the clan's worldview and values. These transmitted practices and beliefs shape the clan's unique identity. Cultural transmission influences the behavior and customs of the clan members. Small population sizes correlate with reduced environmental impact. Simple technology often results in a lower environmental footprint compared to advanced industrial processes. The clan's activities have a limited impact on the environment. Lower population and less advanced technology contribute to the sustainability of the environment. Clan population size is regulated by food availability. Disease is a key factor influencing clan population dynamics. Predation significantly impacts clan population size. These factors interact to determine the overall population size of the clan. Genetic diversity enables a clan to adapt to changing environmental conditions. High genetic diversity increases the likelihood of survival under environmental stress. Genetic diversity is reflected in variations of traits within a population. Environmental changes can act as selective pressures, favoring individuals with advantageous traits. A population's ability to adapt is directly linked to its genetic diversity. Natural selection shapes physical traits within a clan, enhancing survival. Behavioral adaptations, driven by natural selection, improve reproductive success. Traits that increase survival and reproduction become more prevalent over generations. Environmental pressures drive the selection of advantageous physical characteristics. Inherited behaviors that enhance resource acquisition are favored by natural selection. Adaptations allow the clan to thrive in their specific environment. The diet is primarily plant-based, including a variety of fruits, vegetables, and grains. Insects provide a supplementary source of protein and essential nutrients. Small animals, such as rodents and birds, are occasionally consumed to balance the diet. This diet provides a balanced intake of carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. Susceptibility to diseases and injuries poses a significant threat to the clan's overall health. The prevalence of diseases can severely impact the survival rate within the clan. Injuries sustained from daily activities also contribute to health deterioration within the clan. Limited access to medical resources exacerbates the impact of diseases and injuries. The clan's health is directly linked to its ability to perform essential tasks and maintain its community. Preventative measures are crucial for mitigating the risks associated with diseases and injuries. Aging is an inevitable part of the life cycle within the clan. Mortality represents the natural conclusion of individual lifespans. The death of clan members contributes to the cyclical nature of life and renewal. This cycle sustains the clan's overall health and continuity across generations. The departure of elders makes way for the emergence of new generations. Reproductive strategies are adaptations that ensure species survival in specific environments. Environmental conditions directly influence the reproductive behaviors and success rates of a clan. Clans adapt their reproductive timing to coincide with periods of resource abundance. Variations in reproductive strategies reflect evolutionary pressures within the clan's habitat. The continuation of a species depends on the effectiveness of its reproductive adaptations. The clan's social structure is fundamentally based on kinship ties. Close relationships between family members form the core of this social organization. Kinship dictates roles, responsibilities, and mutual support within the clan. This kinship-based structure ensures social cohesion and continuity across generations. Cooperation among clan members enhances survival and prosperity. Altruistic behaviors within the clan contribute to collective well-being. Shared labor and mutual support exemplify cooperative clan dynamics. The clan's cooperative structure ensures the success and growth of its members. Competition within a clan can lead to conflict. Negotiation serves as a primary method for resolving disputes. Displays of dominance can also resolve conflict within the clan. Conflict resolution maintains social cohesion within the clan. The balance between competition and resolution ensures clan stability. Leadership roles can naturally emerge within a group. Certain individuals may guide decision-making processes within the group. Effective leadership facilitates collaborative decision-making. Decision-making involves evaluating options and selecting the optimal course of action. The emergence of leadership roles supports efficient group dynamics. The clan employs basic communication methods to organize tasks and disseminate information. Simple language facilitates coordination and knowledge sharing within the clan. Communication enables the clan to efficiently manage resources and respond to environmental changes. The clan's communication system supports collective decision-making and problem-solving. Survival skills and knowledge are transferred from older clan members to younger generations. This intergenerational learning ensures the continuity of essential practices within the clan. Younger members acquire skills necessary for hunting, gathering, and crafting. Elders share their accumulated wisdom and experience, providing practical guidance. This educational process strengthens community bonds and cultural identity. The transmission of knowledge prepares younger members to contribute to the clan's well-being. Clans develop cultural traditions and practices that define their unique identity. These traditions and practices significantly influence the behavior of clan members. Cultural traditions serve as a framework for social norms and expectations within the clan. The transmission of cultural traditions ensures the continuity and preservation of the clan's heritage across generations. The clan develops simple technologies to enhance food acquisition efficiency. Technological innovation plays a crucial role in improving the clan's defensive capabilities. Simple tools and techniques significantly contribute to the clan's overall survival and prosperity. The integration of technology into daily life transforms resource management and community well-being. Environmental adaptation is crucial for a clan's survival, enabling them to thrive in their surroundings. Sustainable resource management ensures the long-term availability of essential resources for the clan. Clans must adapt to seasonal changes to maintain a stable food supply and shelter. Effective waste management prevents pollution and maintains a healthy environment for the clan. Clans often develop unique cultural practices that promote environmental stewardship and resource conservation. Successful adaptation and resource management contribute to the overall resilience and prosperity of the clan. The clan's social organization facilitates cooperation among members. The clan's political organization provides a framework for conflict resolution. This framework, though simple, ensures stability and order within the clan. The clan structure allows for both individual agency and collective action. Clans often develop fundamental beliefs to comprehend their role within the world. These beliefs provide a framework for understanding natural phenomena and social structures. A clan's worldview shapes their customs, rituals, and moral codes. Clan beliefs and worldviews are passed down through generations, reinforcing cultural identity. Clans express creativity through simple art forms. Symbolic expression reflects the clan's imagination and cultural values. Artistic endeavors serve as a medium for storytelling and preserving clan history. The creation of art fosters community bonds and shared cultural identity. Clans may conduct rituals to signify important events. These ceremonies often mark significant transitions within the clan. Rituals and ceremonies provide a structured framework for communal expression. The performance of rituals and ceremonies reinforces clan identity and cohesion. Clans may establish basic ethical codes to govern behavior. Moral codes are developed to guide interactions within the clan and with outsiders. These codes influence decision-making and maintain social order. Ethical frameworks promote cooperation and reduce internal conflict. Moral guidelines define acceptable and unacceptable behavior. Adherence to these codes fosters trust and stability within the community. Clan social structures adapt over time in response to environmental pressures. Cultural innovations drive changes in clan behavior and social norms. Environmental changes can lead to shifts in resource allocation within the clan. Social evolution within the clan is a continuous process of adaptation and change. New technologies can reshape the clan's social hierarchy and power dynamics. Clan behavior evolves through the integration of new cultural practices. Family plays a central role in the lives of individuals. Raising children is a key aspect of family life, influencing personal development and societal progress. The family unit provides essential support and guidance throughout the stages of life. Family relationships foster emotional well-being and contribute to a sense of belonging. Community interaction involves mutual communication and engagement among individuals. Effective communication fosters a sense of belonging and shared identity within a community. Social interaction provides opportunities for learning, growth, and collective problem-solving. Diverse forms of interaction, from casual conversations to organized events, strengthen community bonds. Survival encompasses the strategies organisms employ to maintain life in their environment. Adaptation refers to the evolutionary process where organisms become better suited to their habitat. Camouflage is a survival adaptation where an organism blends with its surroundings to avoid predators or ambush prey. Migration is an adaptive behavior where animals move from one region to another, often seasonally, to find resources or suitable breeding grounds. Hibernation is a survival strategy where animals reduce metabolic activity during periods of resource scarcity. Symbiosis demonstrates how different species adapt to survive through mutualistic relationships. Survival skills are taught to the young to ensure their future success. Learning is a crucial process for the development of essential abilities. Teaching involves imparting knowledge and skills necessary for adaptation and prosperity. The transfer of knowledge from experienced individuals to the younger generation is vital for societal progress. Effective teaching methods enhance the learning experience and improve skill acquisition. The mastery of survival skills increases the likelihood of a long and successful life. Tool use involves employing an external object to achieve a goal. Technology encompasses the application of scientific knowledge for practical purposes, often involving tools and techniques. Tools extend human capabilities, enabling tasks that would be impossible or difficult otherwise. The effectiveness of a tool depends on its design and the user's skill in employing it. Technological advancements build upon previous innovations, leading to increasingly complex and efficient tools. Hunting and gathering is a subsistence method relying on wild plants and animals for sustenance. Gathering involves collecting fruits, nuts, roots, and other edible plant parts. Hunting techniques include tracking, trapping, and using tools like spears or bows and arrows. Hunting and gathering requires extensive knowledge of local ecosystems and seasonal changes. Shelter provides protection from environmental elements such as rain, wind, and sun. Natural shelters include caves, rock overhangs, and dense vegetation. Constructed shelters can range from simple lean-tos to more complex structures. Shelter construction often involves utilizing available natural resources. Effective shelter design considers factors like insulation, stability, and accessibility. Fire provides warmth, enabling survival in colder climates. Cooking food over a fire makes it safer to eat by killing harmful bacteria. Fire is used to boil water, making it safe for drinking. Fire provides light, extending the day and allowing for nighttime activities. Various environmental dangers pose constant threats to survival. Camouflage serves as a primary defense mechanism against predators, Protective armor provides a physical barrier against attacks. Defensive formations enhance group survival against larger threats. Warning signals alert others to imminent danger. Evasive maneuvers are crucial for escaping predators. Death is a universal aspect of life experienced across all cultures. Cultural practices surrounding death vary widely, reflecting unique belief systems and social structures. Mourning rituals often serve to provide comfort, support, and a sense of community for the bereaved. Funerals and memorial services are common ways to honor the deceased and commemorate their life. Grief is a complex emotional response to loss that can manifest in diverse ways. Coping with death involves adapting to a new reality and finding ways to integrate loss into one's life narrative. Knowledge transfer ensures continuity between generations. Mentorship facilitates the transmission of skills and values. Legacy is built through the accumulation of knowledge and experience passed down. Future progress relies on the foundation of past achievements and lessons learned. The cycle of learning and teaching perpetuates progress across time. As night falls, the clan returns to their sleep site. The return to the sleep site emphasizes the importance of community. Community provides safety during the night. The sleep site is a designated area for rest and protection. Nightfall triggers the return to the safety of the clan's sleep site. Please subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so that you will be updated for more videos.